Hi guys, I'm Jules. I wanted to show you a great toy that I purchased recently. Well, not that recently, but I use in speech therapy. It's a Toy Story board book. So you can see here they've got lots of different concepts and activities like colors, actions, opposites, like where are you questions, some feelings. So these are really fantastic, and I do these with the children in the sessions and I show them how they work. So again, with books, some children aren't as keen on them. So always put the activity back on yourself and show them how it can be really fun and how you use them. So I'll also build up to having children choose which ones they want to read or have a look at, and we'll take turns, and then they can be the teacher and show me what's inside and have a turn playing with the books in their own way. So there's no right or wrong way, but I will always model how to play with these little books, and I'll grab something out that I know the child will like ABCs or 1, 2, 3s. This is a Toy Story one. A lot of the children I see do love Toy Story, and I'll go through and maybe really sound out some of the words like buzz, and see if the child wants to imitate that. They don't have to, of course. And we'll go through friends, ham. If I know the sign or I see something, a word that relates to a keyword sign, I'll use that sign. Or if I have something in the room that is the same or similar, I will bring that activity or toy into the to show the child and use with the book. You know, like if we're talking about hat and we just did Mr. Potato Head, I'll go and get the hat from Mr. Potato Head and pretend to put it on the child, make it nice and fun. Or we got here a horse, so I'll do the sign for horse. So this activity, it's from Target. I think it was $9 or so. You can also purchase it online. And as always, make pack away part of the game. So when we finish pack away, I do the pack away song, like finish, pack away. And the kids love to pack this away. Some want to do it all by themselves. Some want to take turns or just watch me do it for the first few times. And yeah, it's got colors, shapes, play, opposites, where are you, feelings, actions, noisy toys, time, rhyme time, 1, 2, 3, and ABC. So it's super cool, and they're board books, so they're not going to rip very easily. They can be thrown around the room, or, you know, if they want to play with them in a different way, that's okay. So we might put them all into a basket and count them, or just flip the pages and have a look at them. And yeah, packs away nicely with a little handle, and it's magnetic, so no risk of jamming fingers into like latches or anything like that. So yeah, that's a nice toy. Go out, and if your child loves Toy Story, go out and have a look at that one.